Here at WhistlePig, we're not your typical distillery. We're super innovative and we like to keep an open mind. We actually sit on about 500 acres and 300 of that is dedicated to our crops. We're all 0 generations of distillers, we're a hip young team, and I feel like that really makes the WhistlePig Farm and Distillery an experimental paradise.
We're on a 500-acre farm. It actually used to be a dairy farm that we've converted into a craft distillery. So it's become one of the most awarded craft distilleries in the United States, and yeah, we're kind of in the middle of nowhere.
In terms of innovation, we're always want to push the boundaries of like what whiskey can be and what whiskey can do. We always want to try to find what the next big thing is, and we're not afraid to make the mistake trying something brand new that no one else has tried.
Smoke and whiskey have gone together for years, whether it's sitting around the campfire and drinking a glass, or while you're grilling and having a glass. And we kind of took that idea and brought it to the next level when it came to our SmokeStock. We wanted to infuse our whiskey with kind of the right balance of smoke to still make and allow the rye to stand up, but to have a really nice smoky flavor that shines through on the bottle. So for us to smoke it, we kind of did a 2-step process.
It's 1, smoking the barrel with the Traeger Apple Wood pellets, and then 2, we found a way to incorporate smoke into the water that we use to proof down the whiskey from barrel proof. And it's really the 2-pronged approach there that really delivers all of the flavor notes that you're getting out of this product. This collaboration with Traeger just made sense to us. We both come from a mentality of flavor developed takes time to do correctly. And so between some of our higher age statement things, really making sure all those flavors reach their maximum potential, and Traeger's philosophy of slow cooking meats and smoke to really bring out all of the best flavors, it just made perfect sense.
The Traegerhood is an incredible group of individuals from all walks of life that share one common goal, and that's to make great food. We hold that same philosophy at WhistlePig. Our goal is to bring people together over great whiskey. So the opportunity in front of us in the shared space, barbecue, culinary, friends and family, just pairs extremely well.